Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ahmad and you're watching my YouTube channel. Hey Figma. In this video, I want to show you a best gradient plugin in Figma. You're creating a best gradients for your designs, for your UI. So let's get started. First of all, you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates. So let's get started. Press new file, Figma, create a new file for Figma and some arrow is a now go to this widgets and more plugin. This plugin name is Mesh Figma. Mesh. This is a mesh gradient and control and run is now. Now run it. This is a very beautiful plugin for creating a beautiful, cool gradients colors. So right click and plugin run. Let's plugin. Now running plugin is mesh. Why not running? Run now. This is running. Yeah. Okay. 7-day trial. I picked the 7-day trial. The email. The magic email. My name email is now. Oh, send my magic link. You're receiving a maybe again. Okay. Go to this and open Gmail. Send this. Okay. Now give a setting. Yeah, send. Go this and now is mesh plugin. Send me a click the sign mesh plugin. Okay. I will sign it. The second, the mesh plugin is now signing. Go to the period like okay. So like it will look like there are can issue images map. So this is a pretty error now mesh plugin. Run it and mesh Figma. And you can install it. I'm some facing an issue in mesh gradient. It's a beautiful gradient for gradient wise and much more. Thank you.